If you cannot see incoming calls on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is, first of all, we can open the control center or quick settings, and you can check if do not disturb mode is, whether it is enabled or not. You want to make sure that it is off. When DND mode is activated, this might be the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, because, well, do not disturb mode is supposed to prevent from disturbing you. So, of course, make sure that it is off to make sure that you can see incoming calls. If DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then we can also go to settings. And then over here in settings, we're gonna go to apps. Now over here in apps, we're gonna go to the list of apps, so we can tap to see all apps. Tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose show system settings, or show system apps actually. Now in here, we're gonna use the search option right next to three dots, and here we're gonna type phone, just like that. And then you should be able to find the phone app. We want to go over here. You want to force stop it. You want to go to permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions are granted over here for this app. So take a look at the list and just make sure that these apps, these permissions are granted for this app. You can also go to notifications to make sure that everything is enabled. Most likely you will not be able to turn off many of these things, but still you want to make sure that everything is on. Other than that, you want to go to storage and cache, and you want to clear the storage completely, just like that. After that, we're gonna go back and you want to go to phone and messaging storage. And over here, you want to open the storage and cache, and you want to clear storage if you can, and if you cannot, choose to clear cache instead. There we go. Then we're gonna go to phone calls, and you want to do exactly the same thing. Go to storage and cache, and either clear storage or clear cache if you cannot clear storage. If you decide to clear storage, you will also clear cache as well. There we go. And there is also the phone services, which we're gonna go to again as well, and we're gonna clear the storage for that as well. All right, after that, we can switch from phone to call, just to make sure that there are more apps that we can go through. But in this case, actually, there is nothing more, so that's good. After that, it is also recommended to restart your phone, so you can go to the control center or quick settings, tap on this power button here in the bottom right corner, and you can restart your phone. And after that, you can also open the phone app just to make sure that it is actually running in the background. So now you can see or test if incoming calls are showing up on your phone. Leave a like and subscribe.